What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you the exact strategy I used to launch my product on Amazon a couple weeks ago. It's my new one, and get it on the first page in the first 2 or 3 days. Now, a lot of people are using the giveaway method, which, yes, that's fine, it works, but there's other methods now that just make it a lot easier and a lot more profitable, so you don't have to give away and spend a lot of money that you lose on your product, on the fees, and other things like that. So I'm just gonna jump right into it and kind of break down what my new product looks like and then how I launched it and just make it make sense for you guys. So my new product, I spent a total of $852 on, and I bought 300 units. So it was a relatively cheaper product. Now, I did research this. I used Jungle Scout and other tools, which if you're interested in that, I have other videos on that. So I did order 300 units. The item itself cost me $632. Shipping was $175. Logo, 30 UPC, okay, boring. So my total cost per unit is $2.84. Now, FBA fees, so you have the fulfillment fee, which is for Amazon to hold and ship out your units. My item is pretty small and light. Normal is anywhere from $3 to $4. My cost is $291. And my referral fee, which is either $1 or 15% of the sale price in most categories. So 15% of $12.99 is $195. So I have $486 in FBA fees, which doesn't come straight out of your pocket. That comes out of what Amazon pays you. So this is the only money that's coming out of your pocket right here. So I did start this product with under $1,000. A lot of people say you can't. You can. Did it right there. Now, total costs, let's say my selling price is $13 like we were saying, my unit cost, my fulfillment fee, and my referral fee. I'll be left with $529 profit after all fees. Now, okay, that's great, but how are we gonna launch the product, get sales, and get there? Well, there's 2 different methods I wanna break down. The giveaway method, which is very popular, and the other method is just using PPC only, which is Amazon's advertising. And even if you're bad with PPC, most of the time you can launch with just PPC and not giveaways. You can do a combo of both. I personally use PPC probably 90% of the time when I'm launching products. If it's a more competitive, like super competitive product, I'll do a giveaway and PPC. But if you're running on a smaller budget, I think PPC is the way to go because you don't have to have a ton, or you can do a smaller giveaway in PPC. So let me break down the numbers and show you why. So if we're doing a giveaway, and let's just say we're gonna give away 50 of the units in order to help us get ranked. So if we give away 50 units at $0, because giveaway, obviously, our unit cost is still $284. It still costs us $284 a unit to purchase that. Our fulfillment fee doesn't change. It's the same weight and size. That doesn't change with Amazon. However, our referral fee changes. Now, you have a $1 referral fee minimum no matter what. If you sell at $0 or if you sell at $8, it's $1 minimum or 15% of your sale price, whichever is higher. Now, our PPC cost, we're gonna say is 0 because we're only doing a giveaway. So each unit we give away, we're losing $6.75. Now this money's out of our pocket already, so technically that's not money coming out of our pocket, but just a loss. So our total loss comes out to about $335, we'll say, from doing a giveaway to get ranked. Now, if we were to do PPC with the same thing, we want to get 50 units sold relatively quickly. Same thing, we're selling it at $13 though, because we're doing PPC. Our unit cost, still $284, fulfillment fee, same thing. Our referral fee is, I'm sorry, this should be $195, not $295. $195. And I'm gonna say it costs us $7 of PPC spend to get 1 sale, which is pretty easy to do in most niches. Again, it will depend how competitive it is, but spending $7 to get 1 sale on a $13 item is not hard. Now, our profit is about $584 on this, so we know we're losing money here, but we do this for 50 units, we're only losing $1.71 a unit compared to $6.75 a unit that we're giving away. Now we could just spend this, so our total loss is $85. So we could just spend this money that we would have done on the giveaway all on PPC and we'll keep more. Now $7, you guys can do way better than that. Maybe when you're starting off first couple days, it might cost you more until you optimize your campaigns, but spending a lot out of the gate is a lot easier than giveaways in my opinion. However, giveaways sometimes help with reviews. So I wanted to do a little breakdown of what a launch would look like with giveaways. This is pretty much mirroring one of the launches I did, and then I want to show you one with PPC only. So I did the first week by days and then weeks by themselves. So we're going to give away 50 units like I used in the example up here. So 20 day 1, 20 day 2, 10 day 3. We're not spending any on PPC here. And we lose 135 the first 2 days and then 65 the next. And then this is just a running total as we go down. And then we start to get organic sales. We get 3 the next day, and then we get some organic again, but we started spending on PPC. So we're just gonna spend $10 a day, and let's actually keep it at $10 a day since we're ranked and we're getting most of our sales organically. So now we're profiting about $10, $20 a day, and we get up to the 10 sales a day mark, and we carry that out throughout most of the weeks and start to increase a little bit more. We're starting to make more money each day, each week. So you can see our total here, we spent 240 on PPC in total over the 300 units, which is our entire inventory. So we would have had to made an order before this. And we profited $745 off our total 300 units that we ordered. Now we ended up spending, if you look at the cost on the other one, we spent $852 and we profited about $750. So we're left with about $1,500, $1,600 left over. 745 of that is profit. Now, what if we were to do a PPC launch? So no giveaways here. So the red were giveaway units and the rest are actual sales. So PPC, we're gonna say we're gonna spend $10 for 2 days, then 15, then 20, and then we're gonna keep it at around the $20 mark. Now, what you do with this will depend on how competitive your market is. Some products I've sold, I've spent over $100 a day on PPC. Others, if I go past $10 to $20, I'll start becoming less profitable. So you have to find that range. So day 1, we get 2 units off of $10 spend, which is pretty realistic. And we come out with a profit. So you can see if we go down, I'm not gonna read them all for you guys, but we still sell our 300 units. We spent more than double on PPC. We only spent 240 up here. We spent 560 down here, but our profit is a lot higher. It's about 30% higher than the giveaway total because we aren't losing the money up here. Look up here, this is over $300 lost in the first 3 days due to giveaways, while we just profit very little here even though we're spending more. Our total profit in the end is $300 higher. So this is actually pretty much the exact numbers of my launch on my new product. So like I was saying, I wanted to do this launch to show you guys you can start with under $1,000, you can launch without giveaways, and show you guys you can come out and have enough profit and money and be paid out before you have to make a second order. I would have ordered right around this mark, week 2 to week 3, and you get payments every 2 weeks on Amazon. So this is the current strategy I'm using. I just launched that product. That is averaging about 7 sales a day. I'm not number 1 on the first page yet, but I am ranked for multiple keywords high up on the first page. So once I get to number 1, I should be getting 15 to 20 sales a day at about the $6 profit mark. So that is my first one. I decided to do a cheaper item just to show you guys you can actually start with $1,000 because a lot of people don't think you can. And then one thing to keep in mind with PPC is it comes out, you can change your settings so it comes out of what you're being paid from Amazon, not coming straight out of your credit card or your wallet every time. So technically, if you spent $900 and you have $1,000, you can spend $100 in PPC and you won't get billed for that and you'll still have your $100 and it will just come out of your profit. So let's say you get billed every 2 weeks on Amazon. So let's say I spent $400 on PPC on Amazon. Well, 400 is going to come out of this total here. So I'll still be left with profit, and that's not even adding back what you're going to be paid back from your units as well. So I hope that made sense for you guys. I just want to show you, by no means saying don't use giveaways. There's still a tool to utilize. I usually still use them. It's good for reviews, even though technically you can't be giving away products in exchange for reviews. Reviews just kind of stem from them a lot of the time. Just make sure you're not asking for them because that is against Amazon's TOS. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And if you're interested, I have a whole Amazon course in depth, and that will be the link in the description. And it does come with 2 free months of one-on-one mentoring from me. If you ever have any questions, if you want to run products by me, I'm open and I answer within 24 hours every time. So I'll see you guys in the next video.
Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Everybody knows my name, shit. I'ma have this whole fucking game list, spitting with insane wit, and I'm gonna be famous. Ain't nobody able to delay this. Coming up, I had a vision to make it. Never wanted to be nothing, always wanted to play shit. Sit in class, always wondering why I learn the same shit. How the hell am I different if we all know the same shit? I ain't never let them doubt me.